Dear friends, nowadays environmental pollution is getting more and more serious worldwide. Most sources of tap water are contaminated. Everybody is aware of this problem and considers buying a water filter. However, there are a lot of brands of water filters to choose from in the market. Consumers are confused as to what is the best choice. This Top Spring Life Energy water system is not an ordinary water filter. It is a product of the most state-of-the-art technology. Apart from providing drinking water, it can improve the value of all kinds of foods and contains several dozens of applicable functions. If we make black tea, green tea, or coffee with mineral water, deep ocean water, or any kind of filtered water through any water filter, the drink will gradually but surely become bitter after 5 to 10 minutes due to oxidation. But drinks made by using our Top Spring Life Energy water system will last a long time, no matter if they are exposed 1 hour, 3 hours, 5 hours, or even overnight. It tastes as good as freshly made. Moreover, you can pour, for example, a glass of bargain whiskey, brandy, wine, vodka, soy sauce, or vinegar, and place the glass in Top Spring Life Energy water for 20 to 30 minutes. Watch what happens. Even though the water is isolated outside the glass, the taste becomes very pure and sweet, thus attaining a high-priced quality. No other brand of mineral water, deep sea water, RO water, ionized water, magnetic water, water out of regular filters, or general energy water dispensers can achieve the above-mentioned two features. Only Top Spring Life Energy water system can achieve these. This is the glory of IZIA Technology Incorporated. Top Spring Life Energy water system can not only remove harmful substances and heavy metals, but was also proven experimentally by a very prestigious lab, the Torii Research Center in Japan. Top Spring Life Energy water measured 51 Hz, which is the tiniest possible cluster of water molecules, and is characterized as having high reduction power with high oxygen content. Its unique bioenergy control system equips regular water with higher antioxidation, improves foods with higher qualities, maintains the freshness of foods, and generates high interface activities. All these the other drinking water equipment and supposed energy water filters cannot do. Not only that, with its characterized tiny molecule clusters, through immersing, Top Spring Life Energy water removes the pesticide residue in foods and the pollutants in the air and makes the food more healthy. This allows you to obtain the healthiest and safest nutrients in the food with little expense. Top Spring Life Energy water has many unique features which are ready for various applications. It can highly improve your living quality. Making tea, coffee, and black tea. Using Top Spring Life Energy water to make any tea, coffee, or black tea not only saves the amount of tea or coffee you use, but also makes them taste and smell purer. Their refreshing flavors remain even after several hours or overnight. Make your milk and drinks with Top Spring Life Energy water. It not only slows down oxidation, but also reduces ingestion of oxidants, making you healthier. Isolation soaking for alcoholic drinks and soy sauces. Soak bargain whiskey, brandy, Japanese sake, wine, vodka, vinegar, and soy sauce for 20 to 30 minutes with Top Spring Life Energy water. The liquors will attain the same qualities as those made over many long years and further upgrade the product's value. This feature cannot be obtained by any other form of water. You can also pour 5% Top Spring Life Energy water into alcohol, or pour 30% Top Spring Life Energy water into vinegar or soy sauce. Thus, you can taste the most natural and pure flavors out of them. Besides, this can reduce the amount of soy sauce usage without reducing its flavor. By doing so, it can lessen your salt intake and bring you a healthier and more economical life. Removing the pesticide residue, antibiotics, and heavy metals in foods. Immerse fruits and vegetables with Top Spring Life Energy water for 15 to 30 minutes. Pour out the water, then soak them again with Top Spring Life Energy water for 1 minute. This will remove the harmful substances in fruits and vegetables, such as pesticide residue. Immerse meat, chicken, duck, crab, and fish in Top Spring Life Energy water for about 15 to 30 minutes. Pour out the water and then rinse them with Top Spring Life Energy water. This will remove antibiotics and harmful substances in foods. Keeping food fresh. Immerse vegetables, fruits, meats, and seafood with Top Spring Life Energy water for about 15 to 30 minutes. This will maintain and lengthen food freshness and remove fishy smells. Then wrap these foods in plastic bags and store them in the fridge. This will prevent these foods from changing colors and from decaying, thus increasing their flavor and upgrading the value of their nutrients. According to the news report on CTI TV News, Dr. Leen Bishaw's research at the Department of Horticulture at NTU shows that normally, in order to increase crop yield, organic vegetable cultivation always adds overdosed nitrogenous fertilizers. As a result, partial organic vegetables contain an excess of nitrate, about 1500 ppm to 4500 ppm. Using Top Spring Life Energy water to immerse foods can diminish their nitrate content to a minimum. Upgrade live meat, for example seafood, poultry, and beef. Soak live fish such as shrimp, fish, crab, and so on with Top Spring Life Energy water for 1 hour or up to 24 hours. Add some natural salt into it. This can help cleanse internal grime out of fish and shrimp, etc., and at the same time, it can promote meat freshness and quality. Nowadays, air pollution is getting more and more serious. Dirt in the air can be found everywhere, such as the harmful substance dioxin. Consequently, no matter whether they are organic or regular foods, after being soaked in Top Spring Life Energy water, their value will be enhanced. Cooking rice, soup, noodles, and food preparation. The secret to cooking delicious rice is to cook it with Top Spring Life Energy water. First, soak dry goods, corns and grains such as polished rice, unpolished rice, and rice with embryo, in Top Spring Life Energy water for about 10 to 20 minutes, then rinse it with Top Spring Life Energy water. This can prevent damage to rice nutrition from chlorine content in tap water and can further remove pesticide residue and heavy metals while preserving beneficial nutrients. It helps you to make delicious sweet rice and prolong the rice's freshness through the strong oxidation-resistant function from the Top Spring Life Energy water. Moreover, the used rinsing water can be used to water plants. Plants will grow even better, thus no Top Spring Life Energy water is wasted. No matter what kind of cooking, soup or noodles, Top Spring Life Energy water can help retain the original flavor of the foods, make the taste even better, and prolong the freshness through the strong oxidation-resistant function from the Top Spring Life Energy water. Never shed tears again when peeling onions. We normally shed tears while preparing strong foods such as onions. This is not a comfortable feeling, but when you use Top Spring Life Energy water to soak and rinse onions, you will not be choked up again or shed tears when cutting them. Good for making facial masks and moisturizers. Top Spring Life Energy water is not limited to applications to promote food value and antioxidation. It can also be used as a moisturizer. You can pour it into tiny bottles for easier transport, so that you can supply water to your skin no matter when it needs moisture. You can also make DIY moisture retentive masks. This is economical. Useful for flower arranging. For friends who love flower arrangements, using Top Spring Life Energy Water for arranging flowers can help the flowers to last much longer. Good for dyed or permed hair. Use Top Spring Life Energy Water to rinse freshly dyed or permed hair. The bad odors of the hair perming lotion, which remain in hair, will dissipate. For rearing pets. For friends who love pets, take notice. Provide your pets with Top Spring Life Energy Water drinking water. This is good for their health. Add Top Spring Life Energy Water into goldfish